name? Travis McCoy. Guys, my girlfriend is still taking a shower, so basically she's not here yet. Ako muna magbabantay ng live niya daw. Tagal ng asawa ko maligo na. Normal, palagi. Ate LJ ko, anyong?
죽였어.
Fuck. I'm watching creepy. Okay, ayoko na.
Saan yung speaker namin? O, diba
I'm watching something cool right now, and it's the Bloody Hound, the one that I've been suggesting you guys. So it's really nice though. I'll make you watch na lang. I'll make you guys watch since Amber's not here though. So yeah.
Hi everyone! Hello, ID number 7. Hello! Ako din. Nakabalik ko lang.
Fuck.
Oh, ayan. Lahat ko napanood yan. Hoy. Ano ka napanood? Hi, visitor. Oh? Ano ka napanood? Paano ko kausapin? Hindi mo ka nakausap?
Ha? Hindi nakausap. Kakapapanood ko lang sa kanila. Kasi I told them na they should watch Bloodhound because this series looks nice. Hi, Drake Theo. Annyeong.
Hello.
Wow! Great to shower. That's what Ate Ari ko.
Ate Ari, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Sorry na Hi, Bob.
Amber said sorry. She just took a shower.
Hi, Bob. Yung sugat ko kasi kinagpupugasan.
She actually have wound the back of her foot. It's right here. So, right here. So, she's like, she needs to clean it and put the medicine on it. So, it will be healed soon. Then to Ate Ari. What time is it in Malaysia then? Let's see. Malaysia time. Oh, it's same time as here. Same lang pala oras natin. Ate Ari, Chocolate Hills.
300 lang mo.
저는
Kaso lang kasobra.
여기
Kasi malaki masyado.
나한테 꿈을 줬거든.
Kung ano nagagawa ko dito.
나 괜찮아. 그만큼 나 괜찮아.
Ano? Iligo ka?
괜찮아.
Oo.
Fuck, patay na.
Good. Gusto ko bumalik sana sa video ang suot bago. Pagod na ako. Pagod na daw mag-influencer, hindi ko pa na-try eh. Tapos kitang ko nga ako. Ano? Ano? Nakapasok na ako actually kasama ko si Bebe. Marami kailangan pag-influencers. Influencer.
Fuck. His friend died. Hi, Yooks.
Hi. Hello. Where are you from? Philippines. Yeah, Philippines.
Patay kayo.
Why?
Ninang LJ, sariwang manok. Totoo. Hindi, ibong bading.
Why? Ate, I don't know ibong bading yun.
Ate Ani, do you know what's the meaning of
What?
ibong bading? Ibong bading is like,
Ibong ano?
it's ibong adarna, but
What's that?
ibong bading in English is like gay bird,
Yeah,
Bird.
my friend.
which is the gender is gay. So we call it ibong bading because it looks like a rainbow, you know, every time it flies. So it's ibong bading. He.
Hello. Oh, I thought you're Filipino. Hi.
Patay. Drop, ibong bading.
Hello. Hello. I'm good.
They got bigger.
Ay, ang ganda. Gagawin ko siya. Oo nga, buto ko talaga dito. Hello, Sulaiman. Hi, Sulaiman from Morocco.
Set.
I'm enjoying this.
Hana. Tul. Set. Net. 다섯. 여섯. 일곱.
Yodo.
열. 아홉. 열. 십. 십 하나.
Ship L. Ship E.
십 일. 십삼.
Ship O.
십오.
Ship Yok.
십육.
Ship Chill.
십칠.
Ship Pal.
십팔.
Ship Go.
십구.
E-Ship.
이십.
E-Shipping.
이십일.
E-Ship T.
이십이. 이십바.
E-Ship.
이십 뭐이니?
I
이십.
thought I changed you rap. No, I don't know. I don't know how to rap. I don't want to be a priceless. I'm priceless. I cannot do rap. Let's.
They're training boxing
Hello.
because they want to do revenge.
Hi. Nothing much. Hi, how you doing? Where are you from? Are you from India?
저 오늘은 말씀 못 드리겠습니다.
Yeah, you look Indian.
저는 김명길이랑 싸워서 이길 수 있다고
Oh
믿습니다.
no, you're not. So what are you?
야옹 중에
For real, I really thought you're Filipino.
얘기를 어떻게 이겨? 사장님께서 가르쳐 주신 대로
You
움직이는
look Filipino.
Drake Teo, anyong. Ngas, anyong. Ba't ngas? Kasi aso yung profile mo. Tito po, salamat sa
I
nagda-drop.
wanna go there too.
Ate Rec, thank you.
Guys, sabi bilang India.
Yusel, may utang ka pa sa akin.
What do you mean by that?
Si Yusel, may utang sa akin. Si Yusel, may utang sa akin. Sabi niya bukas na siya magda-drop. Eh, di ako nag-live. Eh, di bukas na lang. Okay. So next
No, I
live na.
cannot. I don't know how to speak Indonesian, but I do know some
Thank you,
words.
Ate Rec, for the talong, even though I don't have talong. Anya, your hair
That's
is
fine,
burned.
that's fine. My
I
hair
know.
is like not that
No
good,
need to
so
mention.
we're quits. We're safe. I don't know how to speak English as well. Tanga ko. Anyway. What?
Song for a stranger. Hello,
Philippines.
thank you for the talong.
Yeah.
Drop Malacanang. Let's go.
Yeah.
Let's
Oh,
go.
good.
Ate
That's
Anya,
so
ano ayos na
nice.
po Facebook na? Ate Anya,
That's
na
so
ayos
nice.
yun na po Facebook. Ano
How
ba? Ano
did
meron
you
sa
know
Facebook
those
ko?
words?
김명길한테 가족을 잃고 소중한 걸 빼앗긴 사람들이 숨어 있는 겁니다.
Oh,
아직
your
막아줘야
friend
됩니다.
though.
형도 김명길을 이길 수 있다.
Maseter Bayang.
허락할 수 없으니까 그렇게 알아.
Ano? Wait, what? Say it again. I don't know what's that. Gandang dilang. Hello. Pangako
Nasa
sa'yo.
like
Wait,
pa ng
you
20
guys
pesos
speak
bill yung Malacanang.
Tagalog?
Ano about po sa IG niyo yun? And
Yeah.
it's fine already. I told you guys already fine. Okay na, ayos na siya. Likod yun. Likod pa yun.
제가 주신 걸 버렸어요.
Ay, hala, may solo language pala.
작은 숙소를 잡았어요.
Wow. I only know how to speak Tagalog and Bisaya, but in Sulu, that's like too far from the Philippines, but still in the Philippines.
제가 주신 돈으로 작은 숙소를 잡았어요. 김명길 잡고 다 같이 로마에 놀러
Already.
가자고
Wow.
할아버지랑
That's cool.
약속했는데 제가 다 망쳐버렸어요.
Okay.
저를
I know some words lah.
빼주려고 하지
You
않는데
guys use the word lah.
근데 여기 있으면 할아버지 생각이 나서 견딜 수가 없어요.
Wait, Leo says, hala, Bisaya na ba ko, Day? Taga-ahaman kaya?
주문을 멈출 수가 없어요. 미쳐버릴 것만 같아요. 먼 나라로 가면 나아질 거예요.
Oh, thank you. I'm in Spanish too.
미안해요.
I just grew up in the Philippines. Wait, read it again.
Ate Reka, 100 times talong. Let's go! 100 times talong! Even if we don't
Read
like
it
that.
again. Timon, read it again.
Ang tagal mo!
Bahasa ko muna.
My baby, I want hug.
What do you mean by that?
I don't know, I don't know.
He said?
It's right here.
Okay, he said what? Oh, I'm
Say
Spanish, but I grew up in the Philippines. Is that it?
Hello. I'm
Oh
Cheddar.
my god, like that.
Hello.
So weird.
I'm
Filipinos
Cheddar.
are so
I'm
freaking
Cheddar.
weird.
I'm Cheddar.
You're kidding.
No, yepuda. Yepuda. Nee, baby's pretty.
Wow.
It's yepuda. No, yepuda. No, yepuda.
That's good. I'll let you guess how old am I.
Ano ka magulit yung may, yung face na bebe? Ay, sorry.
I'm 23. Yeah.
Ow.
Oh.
That's why I don't want to leave. It's cold. It's cold.
Um,
It's cold. It's cold.
Apa.
You want
You.
to turn off the aircon?
No.
No.
Wait.
May baby's mas gamot.
Mm-mm.
I have pimple.
Okay.
He's now in Malaysia. He's from Dipolog City. but he's now in
Cute.
Malaysia. Oh, that's so cool.
Cute
Kuya,
dimple.
Leo, follow po kita.
Cute dimple. Oh.
Follow back na lang po sana para may go-go team. Who else speaks Tagalog here?
Kaya nga Iska, magbaksak ka na para
Who
masaya
else
tayo
speaks Tagalog here?
pare-parehas.
Yay! Thank you, Leo! I'm from Dipolog. Sana, unta magsabay po ta sa isa ka live, no? Musaka kasi akong live sa kay. So, ayan. I haven't been to Malaysia, but I'm willing
Oo,
to go
kasi
there
may
soon.
kausap siya na Indonesian sa maybe sa Ogib.
I know Sabah.
Sabi mo,
Ayun,
we'll never do it again.
Look at wait. Leo said, he asked me if I'm going to Malaysia, but not. I mean,
Musta
I
pillow
have
sa
plans to
kanya.
go to Malaysia, but I
Pillow,
don't
she's getting
have
bigger.
enough money to go to Malaysia. Well, I don't have any place to live in.
I
or,
can
like,
hear
sleep
baby's
in it, or-
heartbeat.
Sarap
Tuk,
ng adobo ni
tuk.
Sean.
Meron pa?
Tingnan mo nga, you check it please, baby.
I don't know.
And if there's rice pa.
What? Oh, sure thing. Papasyal niya daw ako. Go.
Nag-AI.
Oo, nag-AI siya. Kasi
Gayahin mo. Hindi,
Ipapasyal kita mamaya. Okay, wait. Google Translate.
Syria, thank you, Englishers, ang Shawnee. Yes, kasi may kausap siya na from other,
To Indonesia.
Thank you so much.